Hello everyone, in this class we are going to solve few problems based on the rolling contact bearing. So we'll start with this problem. In this problem, a ball bearing with the dynamic load capacity of 22.8 kilonewton is subjected to a radial load of 10 kilonewton, and we need to calculate the expected life in million revolutions that 90% of the bearings will reach. Means 90% will reach means 10% will fail, means they are talking about the L10 life. The corresponding life in hours if the shaft is rotating at 1450 rpm, and the life that 50% of the bearings will complete of expected of exceed before the fatigue failure. So we'll start the solution. So we know the relationship between L10 life and dynamic capacity, that is given by L10 equals to C dynamic load capacity divided by P equivalent dynamic load raised to power P. Here P equals to 3 for ball bearings, and P equals to 10 by 3 for roller bearings. So in this particular we are talking about the ball bearing, so this P equals to 3. So in this numerical, C is given as dynamic load capacity is given as 22.8 kilonewton. So C equals to 22.8 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 Newton, and only radial load is given here, so there is no axial load. So P equals to Fr only. So this is 10 kilonewton. So 10 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3 raised to power 3. So this becomes 11.85 million revolutions. So this is L10 life. So this is the answer for first, the expected life in the million revolutions that 90% of the bearings will reach. Means L10 life is 11.85 million revolutions. So in the second, the corresponding life in hours. So in the lecture we discussed that L10 is L10 hours multiplied by N multiplied by 60 divided by 10 raised to power 6. So if we need to convert the L10 life into L10H or in hours, then this would be L10 hours equals to L10 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 divided by 60 into RPM, rotation, speed of rotation of shaft. So this becomes L10 is 11.85 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 divided by 60, and rotation of speed of shaft is given as 1450. So this is 1450. So on calculation we'll have, this is 136.23 hours. This is our answer for second. And third, the life that 50% of the bearings will complete of or exceed before fatigue failure. So 50%, so this life is known as median life of bearings, or we represent L50. So L50 is given as 5 times of L10. So by using this relationship we can find out 5 multiplied by L10H. So this is 5 into 136.23. So this becomes 681.17 hour. So this is the answer for third. So this is how we can solve this type of problem. So now we are going to take the second problem, which is a cylindrical roller bearing with the bore diameter of 40 mm is subjected to a radial force of 25 kilonewton. The coefficient of friction is 0.0012 and speed of rotation is 1440 rpm. Calculate the power lost in the friction. So now we can understand, if the radial load is 25 kilonewton, then we can say the normal reaction between, if this is the roller and radial load is 25 kilonewton, so here normal reaction is 25 kilonewton only, and normal reaction multiplied by coefficient of friction is tangential force acting at this place. So if this is rotating in this direction, then this is the tangential force, which is mu into normal reaction, and normal reaction is equal to 25 kilonewton and mu is given as 0.002. So this tangential load multiplied by radius of this ball bearing is torque acting at the circumference of this bearing, and this torque can be converted into, because this torque is just because of the friction, and this torque can be converted into the power lost because of the friction. So we'll proceed the solution in this manner. So we can find out the torque because of this load. So torque is this load multiplied by diameter divided by 2, or you can say radius. So this is mu, and Rn equals to radial load only. So this is Fr multiplied by d of inner race divided by 2. So this is mu is 0.0012 and Rn or Fr, which is 25 into 10 raised to power 3 Newton, and this is 40 mm. So 40 divided by 2. So on solving this, or this calculation will give us 1600 Newton mm. So this is the torque because of this frictional force. So this torque can be converted into a power because of this frictional force, though that would be the power lost in friction. So power in kilowatt can be given by 2 pi n multiplied by mt divided by 60 into 10 raised to power 6. So this is 2 pi, and rotation speed is given as 1440 rpm. So this is 1440, and mt is 600 Newton mm. So this is 600 divided by 60 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. So on solving this, we'll get the value as 0.09 kilowatt. So this much of power we will lost just due to the friction. So this is the answer for this problem. So now we are going to consider one more problem based on the bearing only. So in this problem, the ball bearing is subjected to a radial force of 2500 Newton and axial force of 1000 Newton, and the dynamic load capacity for this bearing C of the bearing is 7350 Newton. The value of X and Y are 0.56 and 1.6 respectively. The shaft is rotating at 720 rpm. Calculate the bearing life. So here we are given with radial force and axial force both. So first of all, we need to find out the equivalent dynamic load. So equivalent dynamic load is given by X Fr plus Y F axial, and X and Y both factor is given as, this is X is given as 0.56 and Fr is 2500 Newton. So this is 25 and Y is given as 1.6 and axial load is 1000 Newton. So we'll solve this and we'll get as 3000 Newton the equivalent dynamic load. Now if we know the equivalent dynamic load and we know the load dynamic capacity C, then we can find out the bearing life. So bearing L10 life is given by a formula. This is C, load carrying capacity, dynamic load carrying capacity. This is the equivalent dynamic load divided by P and raised to power N, and N is 3 for ball bearing. So this is 3. So C is given as 7350 Newton. So this is 7350 and P we calculated as 3000. So this is 3000 raised to power 3. So on calculation we can get the L10 life in million revolutions. So now we need to convert the bearing life in hours. So in hour this life can be converted into L10 life in hours is L10 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 divided by 60 into N. So L10 we calculated as 7350 divided by 3000 raised to power 3 and this is multiplied by 10 raised to power 6 and 60 and N is given as 720 RPM. So this is 720. So on calculation of this we'll get life in hours is 340.2 hours. So this is the answer for this problem. So I hope you understand these all three problems, and in the next lecture we are going to solve more problem based on the ball bearings. Thank you.